Oi oi! Who's this dodgy geezer? Hello everyone, I'm the Baldy Bloke. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Now, let's jog off to the studio. Watcher! Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, how's everyone doing? Hope you're all hanging in there. Thought I'd give you a quick update before we start this next video. Today we are going to be taking Sally out on a little trip just around the houses, and I'd like you to come along. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so. If you like the content, give it a thumbs up. At the end of this video there's a little update on Colleen, some of the bits and pieces that I'm working on with her, which you'll see in upcoming videos, and also stay tuned, so there's a cheeky little video coming up and I don't want you to miss it. It's on a friend's car and I think you'll like it. So subscribe to my channel, appreciate all the support you're giving, and I hope you're staying well. Enjoy the next few moments. Talk to you soon. Transferring of the hardware from Sally's old front bumper and onto the new one was all part of the content that I lost, but I did take a couple of pictures, so here they are. After putting Sally all back together, I was left with two pieces of white formed plastic that I had no idea where they belonged. Anyway, in the next clip, problem solved. Okay Sally, I had to take the front bumper off again to position these. I figured out what they were, just followed up and searched the part on Google. They are deflectors, but they also act as supports for the bumper, and they just help direct the flow, any flow, airflow through the condenser and through the front radiator, so that's pretty cool. Got the new inner wheel well liner for her too, so that's all installed. Pretty cool. Gotta love those brakes. Front bumper skin will be going back on now, and then that's the little part that goes underneath the front bumper and attaches it to the ends of the two inner wheel arch liners. And then I hope next week sometime to actually be able to get her in for inspection. The windshield needs doing, and I'm half hoping that they might let me not do that, or maybe they can do it for me, because otherwise I'm going to be running out of time and I need to use her. So I'm pleased with how it's coming along. Another few hours and she'll be done, which is amazing. I really like her. I really like her. Alright, I'll shut up now. Talk to you soon. Front bumper in readiness to go back on. And there she is, good as gold. Let's go for a drive. Oi oi! How is everyone? We've had quite a lot of rain the last few days. Sally has had her alignment checked in view of the inspection. The paperwork is all at the inspection facility. I thought you'd like to come along for a little drive with her. She drives lovely. But yeah, I'm well pleased with how she's turned out. Well pleased. And you can see the colour match on the front fender down there. And on the hood. And boy is she flipping dusty. That's the two little tow hook holes that I've got covers for now. I love her. She had a problem with the brakes. They were really badly warped. I noticed it driving to and from the wheel alignment. So I picked up some new discs and front discs and pads. Gave them a good clean too. The calipers all nicely cleaned up. Well pleased with how they came out. Hold on a minute. I just spotted something. We're going to spin around and have a look. Wow, that is stunning. Do you mind if I take a couple of pictures? Thank you. So just driving past and stopped and saw this. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at that. Thank you ever so much. Fair play to him. He's obviously worked hard for that. And when you work hard, you can play hard too. Congrats, fella. That was a very nice car. My gosh. Nice to see the blossom out. It does mean that spring is finally here. And there is Abby again. Here's a quick look at her inside. The thing I love about her is that she's so plain and simple. It's beautiful in its own right. It's a car. That's it. It's a car. It's got 4 wheels, a steering wheel, speedometer, rev counter, gear lever, and that's it. She needs a good detail inside. She was pretty dirty, but nothing that can't be sorted out. Huh. Now watch me screw this up. Oi oi! How's everyone doing? Wanted to give you a quick update on Colleen. I am just currently plastic welding her front bumper. That will be on a video soon, so stay tuned for that. Once that one's done, it will be her back bumper, which is just damaged down there. Split both ends, but that's fixable. And then also in a future video we'll be dismantling her original back door. Got to take the spoiler off, the backup camera off, and got to transfer the rear window to the replacement one off the donor cube. So that will probably be a video all by itself, but I just felt I should let you know what's going on, as the video today on Sally is a little bit of a short one, and I felt I should plump it out for you with some more information. Hope you're all staying safe and well. Chin up, keep smiling and all that good stuff. And you know what to do if you're getting down. Go and stick that kettle on. Tea bag in the cup, hot water on top, and then the milk. Cup of tea will get you through anything. If you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. Please hit the like button. And with that, I'll shut up and I'll see you on the next one. Toodle-pip. That's it for this one, folks. Thank you for watching. Remember to stay tuned, there's a cheeky little video coming down the pipe soon. Please hit the subscribe and like buttons. Please share and comment. Talk to you soon. Toodle-pip.